Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today's episode is a bit special because finally I cooked something. And today's episode I'm cooking a really special dish, not special but simple dish. It's called Tempeh Orek, and the ingredients are, let's see, we have soybean cake, aka tempeh, and we have pepper, sweet soy sauce, tamarind, garlic, shallot, chili, bay leaf. We also have brown sugar here, salt, and also MSG. And one more thing, we have galangal. Okay, first, fry your tempeh until it's golden brown. Okay, you can use lots of oil. And after it turns golden brown, saute some chili, garlic, galangal, and also shallot. Stir them well, and anyway, galangal is one of the main spices used in this recipe. I think sometimes it's hard to find galangal in your place. And after everything is done, add some bay leaves. Stir them well again, and after that you just need to add some tamarind and brown sugar and a little bit of water. Stir them well and let them get dissolved. Okay, this recipe was firstly introduced by my friends when I live in Jakarta. Okay, I think it's easy to make, so I'll try to make it. Okay, add some pepper and add some, okay, the most important thing, MSG. Okay, we can't live without it. And add some sweet soy sauce. Okay, add some sweet soy sauce. This is also the main ingredients. Look at the color. And some salt. Don't forget to adjust the taste if you like your food a little bit spicier, add more chilies. If you like it sweeter, add more brown sugar and also sweet soy sauce. Okay, next pour your fried tempeh. Okay, mix them well. Okay, like this. I just love to do it. Wow, take a look at it. It looks scrumptious. I can't wait to taste it. I'm super hungry. So I'm starved. And by the way, let it cook for a while. Let the spices get into the fried tempeh. Okay, look at me. I'm trying to be a professional chef. I'm trying to be. Okay, I love cooking anyway. This is one of my favorite things to do. Okay, we're almost done here. Okay, see, finally, my second attempt of making tempeh orek. How do you like it? That's how you make tempeh orek, and try this dish at home and tell me how does it taste.